What if I told you that the right bedtime drink could help burn belly fat while you sleep? Tonight, I'm revealing 7 science-backed bedtime drinks that boost metabolism, reduce cortisol, and target stubborn belly fat. From chamomile's blood sugar benefits to a powerful cumin-ginger blend that works overnight, these natural fat-burning recipes could transform your weight loss journey. Bedtime drinks work because your metabolism continues during sleep, and certain compounds can optimize fat burning overnight. The key is choosing drinks that regulate blood sugar, reduce stress hormones like cortisol, boost metabolism, and support natural detoxification processes. Let's explore the most effective options. First, chamomile tea. Chamomile contains compounds that increase glycine levels, helping regulate blood sugar throughout the night. This prevents insulin spikes that promote fat storage, particularly around the belly. Drink unsweetened chamomile tea 15 minutes before bed for optimal blood sugar control and improved sleep quality, which supports healthy weight management. Second, soy protein shake. Soy protein contains tryptophan, an amino acid that reduces cortisol levels. High cortisol promotes belly fat storage, so lowering it overnight supports fat burning. The protein also provides amino acids for muscle maintenance during sleep. Drink a small soy protein shake 30 minutes before bed, avoiding added sugars. Third, turmeric milk. This golden drink improves metabolism and contains powerful antioxidants that support fat burning. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, has anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce belly fat. The warm milk provides tryptophan for better sleep. Mix turmeric powder in warm milk. Drink 30 minutes before bed without added sugar. Fourth, dandelion tea. This natural diuretic helps eliminate excess fluids and reduces bloating. Dandelion supports liver function, which is crucial for fat metabolism. It also contains compounds that may help break down fat cells. Drink unsweetened dandelion tea 15 minutes before bed to support overnight detoxification. Fifth, ginger and cinnamon tea. This combination improves nutrient absorption and boosts metabolism. Ginger increases thermogenesis, helping burn more calories, while cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar. Both spices have anti-inflammatory properties that support healthy weight management. Steep fresh ginger and cinnamon in hot water. Drink without sugar before bed. Sixth, cucumber lemon water. This hydrating drink contains antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support fat burning. Cucumber provides silica and potassium for reducing water retention, while lemon supports liver detoxification. The combination helps lower blood sugar and eliminate toxins. Blend cucumber slices with lemon juice and water. Drink before bed. Seventh, the ultimate fat-burning blend: cumin, ginger, and lemon. This powerful combination targets belly fat through multiple mechanisms. Cumin improves digestion and may boost fat burning. Ginger increases metabolism and reduces inflammation, while lemon supports detoxification. Recipe: add 1 tablespoon each of ginger and ground cumin, plus 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon to boiling water. After steeping, add fresh lemon juice. Cover to preserve essential oils. Drink nightly before bed. You can add 1 tablespoon of honey for sweetness, but avoid sugar. These drinks support fat burning but aren't magic solutions. They work best combined with healthy diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep. Avoid adding sugar, which counteracts fat burning benefits. Start with 1 drink to assess tolerance, and consult healthcare providers if you have medical conditions or take medications. Results vary individually, and sustainable weight loss requires comprehensive lifestyle changes. These drinks can enhance your efforts by optimizing overnight metabolism and supporting healthy sleep patterns, crucial for weight management. These 7 bedtime drinks: chamomile for blood sugar control, soy protein for cortisol reduction, turmeric milk for metabolism, dandelion for detox, ginger cinnamon for thermogenesis, cucumber lemon for hydration, and the ultimate cumin-ginger lemon blend, provide natural support for overnight fat burning. Combine these bedtime drinks with balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, and healthy sleep habits for optimal results. Fat burning is a gradual process that requires patience and consistency. Which bedtime drink are you most excited to try? Have you noticed benefits from? If this guide to fat-burning bedtime drinks was helpful, give it a thumbs up and share with someone on a weight loss journey. Subscribe for more natural health and weight management tips, and I'll see you in the next video.